Good morning students. Today we will discuss Introduction to Currency Derivatives. Derivatives are financial instruments whose value is derived from underlying asset. These contracts can be related to currency market, commodity market or security market depending on the nature of underlying asset. There are four types of derivatives such as forward contracts, future contracts, swap contracts and option contracts. There are four types of currency derivatives: currency forward contracts, currency future contracts, currency swap contracts and currency option contracts. First is currency forward. A forward contract is an agreement between two parties whereby one party agrees to buy from or sell to the other party the currency at which future time for an agreed price. At maturity, a forward contract is settled by delivery of the asset by the seller to the buyer in return for payment of the contract price. These contracts are obligation on both of the parties. No party can leave the contract unexecuted. These are tailor-made contracts. Second is currency future contracts. Currency future is an agreement to buy or sell a standardized quantity of a specific currency on a future date and at a price agreed between the parties through an authorized exchange. These are obligation on both of the parties. These contracts are for standardized amount, means size of the contract is standardized, each contract being far smaller than the average forward transaction. These are also standardized in terms of delivery dates. Usually, the date lies in the month of March, June, September and December. These contracts are marked to the market. It means daily the marginal settlement is being done between the parties. Next is currency swap. Currency swap is a simultaneous purchase and sale of a given amount of foreign currency for two different dates. There is an exchange of cash flows into different currencies between two different parties. In case of currency swap, one party provides a certain amount in one currency to another party in exchange for an equivalent amount in different currency. It is basically combination of two contracts entered simultaneously where one may be spot contract and other may be future contract, or both may be future contracts with different dates. Next is currency option. Currency option is a contract for future delivery of a currency in exchange for another currency where the holder of the option has right to buy or sell the currency at an agreed price. This is known as strike price or exercise price also. But it is not required to do so since he holds the option, whereas the another party is under the obligation to execute the agreement. So, the holder of the option will see whether the option is in profit or out of the profit before deciding whether or not to exercise the agreement on due date. The option contracts are executed if these are in profit on the date of exercise. There are two types of options: call option and put option. Call option is option to buy and put option is option to sell. Call option is said to be in profit when spot price is greater than the strike price on the date of execution, whereas these options are out of the profit when spot price is less than the strike price. So call option will be executed when it is in the profit means when spot price is greater than the strike price. Whereas put option are in profit when spot price is less than the strike price. And these options are out of profit when spot price is greater than strike price. Put option will be exercised when these are in profit. It means when spot price is less than the strike price. There are two types of options depending on the execution date, European option and American option. European option are the contract which can be exercised only on the due date, whereas American option are the contracts which can be exercised on or before the due date. Thank you very much.